Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the new Lamborghini I got in my collection today. So let's take a look at it. So right now, here are all my other Lamborghinis I have. I have this Aventador. I got one, I think it's a Huracan. Got two of them. Got one small one, one big one, and I also got this green one too. Pretty cool. So next I got this one. This is a red one I got new in my collection. It's a Huracan, new Huracan. Pretty cool car. You can press the windshield and it makes a noise. Pretty cool. And I also really like the car's rims on it, which is pretty cool. The same one as this. Pretty two Huracans. It's also got a pretty cool back end. Pretty cool. Love the mufflers. Love the light style. Also love the back where the glass is here. You can't really see the engine, but still it's a pretty cool car. Really do like the design. And also, oh, look at that. It's also got a little bit of tampos on the side of the car too. It's also got the nice classic Lamborghini grin on it. You can also take a look at the Lamborghini logo on there with the nice headlights too. So yeah, pretty cool car. You can press the windshield. It makes a noise. So if we just take a look. There we go. Pretty cool. And here are all my other Lamborghinis in the collection too. So look at that. Wow. Got two Huracans. Got one small one, we got one big one, and we got another one. So yeah guys, yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, also go check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. But yeah, bye guys.